This 2024 primetime Avenger 28 REI is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Seguin, Texas, 78155 and is offered for sale by Seguin RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new prime time is 30 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 5 and 42 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, kitchen island, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2024 primetime Avenger 28 REI is 7,188 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Seguin RV.